you're searching for space, a great workshop, tons of parking for your toys and RVs, this exceptional property you will not want to miss. You'll find plenty of parking, a long driveway with rear yard access, and a fully fenced property with room for the whole family. This beautifully updated home offers spacious living areas and is move-in ready. A standout feature is the impressive 26 by 48 detached workshop with 100 amp service, perfect for hobbies, storage, or a home-based business. The Salmon River location is hard to beat. Just steps to North OTTER Elementary, minutes to OTTER Trail Winery, Highway 1, and all the shopping and amenities of Willowbrook Shopping District.
Oh, you're so amazing, you make me feel alright. The temperature's rising, take me for a ride. Oh, it's so amazing, we got the chemistry. Regular highs when you give me ecstasy, yeah. Give me ecstasy, yeah. Give me ecstasy, yeah.
Properties like these don't come up often. I'm Sherry with the Sherry Surround Real Estate Group, where creating better lives is our purpose.